Today I want to talk about fear, and I have another video that's specifically on fear, but I want to talk about a different type of fear. I want to talk today about the fear that we have oftentimes about money itself. You don't have to be good at math. You don't have to be a super nerd. You don't have to be a budget crazy person like I am. You don't have to be a finance person to change your mindset and to know that money can be enjoyed. And I want to say that carefully because I know so many people are afraid of money. That's the subject for today. So many of us have this fear of money, and there could be 100 different reasons for it. Some of it was the way that we were raised. Some of it was what we see out there with greed and with anger and with resentment and all the negative things that are associated with money or how money affects people. But those people aren't you. Those people are not you. So be careful about fearing money because of what it's done to somebody else. You're in control of you, and so you can turn that fear of money and actually enjoy money. Not that you're gonna, again, be like me. I'm kind of a super freak when it comes to this stuff. This is what I do. But if you can turn that fear of money into enjoyment of money, you're gonna have a better life all across the board. I have another video that I talked about how money is really, really important in our lives. But this specifically is gonna be about that fear. So turn the fear into enjoyment of money, change your mindset, and then you'll be able to have a better life because we know that it takes money to do anything in this life. So learn, train your mind to not fear money, but to enjoy money. And when you do that, when you enjoy your money, you'll be able to spend money freely without the guilt, without the shame, and that's going to feel so much better for you. You're going to be able to go on vacation without feeling guilty. You're going to be able to buy or upgrade your car without feeling the shame. You're going to be able to go out to dinner or buy somebody something else or give money or whatever you want to do. You'll be able to do that guilt-free, shame-free, because you're enjoying money. You enjoy the flow of money. You enjoy making money. You enjoy spending money. You enjoy saving money. You enjoy giving money. All of that stuff, if it comes from that enjoyment of it, knowing, having a good perspective on what money is for, rather than something to be feared, you will have a better life across the board. You're going to make that progress when it comes to your finances. So train your mind. Forget the fear about money. They don't have rules on it. It's not going to affect you the same way it affects other people because you're in control of yourself. So don't fear that money. Enjoy the money. Train yourself over and over and over again to enjoy all the aspects of money and how you want to live your life. And that is how you're going to have that better financial freedom in all aspects of your money. So that's the tip for today. Don't be afraid of money, especially because of what you see it's done to other people or how other people have reacted. But learn to enjoy money. Learn to enjoy all those things. You don't have to be a super freak. Just enjoy money, what it can do for you and what it can do for other people.